Sir, good morning, sir.
Good morning, sir.
Madam, start பண்ணிடலாம்ங்களா? போன பிறகு
Yes, sir. Yes. Yes, sir.
sorry,
We'll start, sir.
Good morning. I'm Jayaprakash, final year mechanical. A very pleasant morning to one and all. I welcome you all for the one-day online workshop on design thinking, critical thinking, and innovation design, organized by Institution Innovation Council of a Power Engineering College, is associated with Entrepreneurship Development Cell Namakkal. Thank you for being an integral part in today's event. They say, well begun is half done, and now to begin this event. I'm indeed happy to welcome Dr. M. Prem Kumar, Principal of Power Engineering College and President of IIC. We welcome you, sir. I'm happy to welcome our respectful Chief Guest, Mrs. A. Satya, Associate Director, Dr. Tirus, Clinical of the Rural Tourism Private Limited, Salem. Welcome you, ma'am. I
Thank you,
now
sir.
welcome our convener, Dr. R. Mohanapriya, Associate Professor, ECE. We welcome you, ma'am. I welcome our Vice President, Dr. K. Sundaramurthy, Professor, Mechanical. We welcome you, sir. We welcome the event organizer, Dr. P. Pugalendi, and Dr. M. Mr. T. Tangavel, Assistant Professor, Mechanical. We welcome you, sir. I cordially welcome to all the head of departments. Welcome you, sirs, and welcome you, ma'ams. I welcome you all the faculty members of Power Engineering College and other institutions. Welcome you, sirs, and welcome you, ma'ams. And I happily welcome all the participants from Power Engineering College and the participants from other institutions. I extend my cheerful welcome to all the first day of a online workshop. I now invite Dr. M. Prem Kumar, Principal of Power Engineering College and President of IIC, to give the presidential address.
Thank you. Most respected guest speaker of the day, Mr. Satyapriya, Associate Director, Dr. Tirus Clinicals Private Limited, Dr. Thiru Rural Tourism Private Limited, Salem, respected Vice President of Institutions Innovation Council, Dr. Sundaramurthy, and convener of IIC, Dr. Mohanapriya, and event organizer, Mr. Pugalendi, coordinator Pugalendi, and event organizer, Mr. Tangavelu. And dear students, I'm very happy that today our IIC and Entrepreneur Developmentship Cell, they are organizing a workshop on design thinking, critical thinking, and innovation design. This title is more relevant now, and almost most of the educational institution, they are focusing
Sir, you can continue, sir.
Okay, sorry, very sorry. Most respected guest speaker of the day, Mr. Satyapriya, Associate Director, Dr. Thiru Clinic Private Limited, Dr. Thiru Rural Tourism Private Limited, Salem, Vice President, Dr. Sundaramurthy, Convener, Dr. Mohanapriya, EDC Coordinator, Dr. Pugalendi, event organizer, Mr. Tangavel, and dear students. I'm very happy to be here in this workshop on design thinking, critical thinking, and innovation design, organized by IIC and EDC of our institution. Dear students, almost all the institution, they are focusing on this design thinking and critical thinking nowadays, because the outcome of any innovation should be useful to the society, and it has to satisfy the needs of every individual. That way, many institutions, they are focusing on it. Always do your project with much more intensity, and there should be a very good outcome. Interact with the guest speaker, and she is well known to our institution, and I wish you all the best. And first of all, I would like to thank our guest speaker, Satyapriya, for accepting our invitation and to interact with our student to give a light on innovative thinking and design thinking to our students. Thank you, madam. And I also congratulate the organizers of EDC IAC because we all know well that every day I'm getting a event schedule from Monopriya or Dr. Sundaramurthy or Pugalindi that they are organizing an event. They are have earnestly working for the conduct of lot of programs, and all these programs are organized just for not for eating our time, to enable you to enrich your skill and knowledge and to give some value addition to you. So in that way, this program will give you a different way of thinking in a different dimensions. So I wish you all the best. Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Next, we have Mr. K. Abdullah for Final Year Mechanical to deliver the chief guest introduction.
Morning. I feel immense pleasure in introducing our guest speaker, Mrs. A. Satyapriya, Associate Director, Dr. Thiru's Clinicals Private Limited and Dr. Thiru's Rural Tourism Private Limited, Salem, to this gathering. Mr. A. Satyapriya is a seasoned director, trainer, and content writer with more than 12 years of experience in training corporate and institutional audience. Her academic profile shows that she has completed her bachelor's degree in computer science and master's degree in Master of Business Administration. She has submitted her PhD thesis of by the year 2020. Her work experience are as follows: assistant professor in the Department of MBA Power Engineering from 2011 to 2016 and then in 2018 to 2019. House loan coordinator with HDFC Bank in 2010-2011. HR associate at Tata Consultancies Private Limited and Citigroup Global Services Chennai in 2008 to 2010. And presently, she is working as associate director, Dr. Thiru's Clinicals Private Limited and Dr. Thiru Rural Tourism Private Limited, Salem. Her area of interest includes soft skills training, personality development, interview skills, coordination skills, and motivational speech. She has presented around 60 papers in national and international and has published 15 research journals and also guided around 100 MBA students with a project. She has a good orator of small stories and creative writer of poetry motivator. She has good at organizing leadership activities like business quiz and plans, IT games, Energizer games, and have conducted training sessions at schools and colleges. Her crown is decorated with several awards like Young Faculty Award 2019, MTC Global Distinguished Teacher Award 2019, and International Women Empowerment Award 2018. She has also conducting free medical camps by joining hands with senior doctors to serve the poor and needy. Ma'am, we are fortunate to have you in this forum to enlighten our students with your knowledge and experience. Thank you.
Thank you, Abdullah.
Thank you, brother. Now, I request our respectful chief guest, Mrs. A. Satyapriya, ma'am, to start the presentation.
Thank you, everyone. It's a great honor and pleasure to be here for today's sections. So on the title, critical thinking, innovative thinking, and design. So as said by our principal, Dr. Prem Kumar, actually, this is actually very much needed nowadays for each and every educational institutions. Normally, the students who are actually studying in educational institutions, actually, then they should have all the skills like designing skills, critical skills, and innovative skills, because they are the one who is going to serve the society. So you need to actually know what are the needs and wants of the society. So as per the needs and wants of the society, the youngsters are the one who is going to serve the society. So with this, actually I'm thanking the Huawei Engineering College managements, principal, directors, and next professors and organizers. So let me start the section, today's sections. So this title is all about this design thinking, critical thinking, and innovation design. Next slide, sir. Yeah. So let me start this section with the famous quotes. So here I've given you many quotes here. So my life is my message. So this is a quote given by anyone in the group. This is a quote given by, whose quote is this? My life is my message. Anyone in the, my life is my message is a quote given by, yeah, see, my life is my message is a quote given by Mahatma Gandhi. So the future depends on what you do today. This is also a quote which is given by Mahatma Gandhi. So winners don't do different things; they do things differently. This is also a quote which is given by anyone in the group. So this is actually a good quote. This is given by Shiv Khera. So you can win. Okay. And coming to the other quote, people throw stones at you and you convert them into milestones. This is actually a very famous quote which is given by a cricket player. Anyone in the group? Yeah. So Sachin Tendulkar. This quote is actually given by Sachin Tendulkar. So with all these quotes which is given by the great personalities, I'm starting the sections today because your life would be your message, and actually the future depends on what you do today, right? And also winners actually they continuously do different things, right? And if someone poke at you, you should not mind about that, and you should start your journey in order to achieve your success. So with this famous quote, I'm starting today's sections. Madam, next slide. Yeah. So today's section is all about, success, the design thinking, critical thinking, innovation design. Okay. So first, next slide, please. It's the complete slide. Right. See, we do have many expectations from people around us, right? So you have actually your father and mother, they do have different expectations from you. Your peers, I mean your friend side, if you are been working in a company, you may have a different expectations from your colleagues, also from your friend side, and you do have a different expectations from your siblings, your brothers or sisters, and you do have a different expectations from the faculty as well. As you're a students community, and you do have a different expectations from the faculty side, likewise from grandparents, business, society, government. So what is this expectations actually? So what is expectations? Anyone in the group, just give me what is the definition, or what is expectations? Why this expectations actually? Why do we have different expectations from different peoples? Yes. Right. See, like as you're very youngest, like even our mother, our father, they do have different expectations. They want their kids to grow well. They should have a good career. They should have a good complete life plan systems. So they should be always successful. That is the actual expectation from the father or a mother, right? So what would be the expectation from the sibling side? As a brother or a sister, they do have expectations. If you show good kindness, love, caring towards your sisters when they are grown up, and they may expect something from you, that you will be taking care of them, right? So that is a different expectation from the siblings. Likewise, from your friends, of course, you would like to go for a party, or you may go for a sightseeing places, something like that. Okay, and if you are in like financial struggle, of course, you may expect some financial help from your friends as well, right? So now coming to the point, what is the good expectations from your faculty members? So what are the expectations as an engineers? Because you're all here engineers, so you're all like, you belong to different streams like aeronautical engineer, civil engineer, mechanical engineer. So many different engineering stream people are here. So what is the actual expectation of faculty members from your side actually? So what they expect from you, what is required, what is needed? So anyone in the group? Yes, Abdul. They can interact actually. I think the mics are off. You can enable mic for the students so that they can interact with me. Anyone from the group? I'm seeing 3 hands here. So anyone? Shivalingam, who's Shivalingam, right? Yes, anyone. So what are the expectations from faculty members? Anyone in the group here? So as an engineer, you're the person who's going to serve for the society. So you need to give some quality inputs, quality things, right? So you're going to conduct few experiments. You're going to design. You're going to innovate. You're going to create it. So these things, as well as more or less, when you compare with the father and mother parents, faculties are all related to the father and mother side. They do have all expectations from you. They want you to have a good success for your life. Not only that, they take care of you in and every step. They are the motivator for you. They are the facilitator. They are the mentor, right? So they'll actually push you to the right path, because you may have a different path, but you doesn't know like where to go and where to land it, right? So the faculty members or the people who actually push you to the right path, they know like what is your strength and what is your weakness, in which skills are you good at. So they know each and everything, as well as later to your father and mother. Similarly, your father and mother, they know everything of you. So likewise, your faculty members also know everything about you, right? So their aspect, actually, they want their students, their students community to be in a good path, right? So they want to become a good professionals in life, right? So that is actually their expectations. Okay. Then coming to the next side is business, right? So what is business actually, right? So if you after completing your graduations, you might enter into any type of business. You may become an entrepreneur. Entrepreneur is the one who is doing their own business, right? So the business also expects something from you. So you can't start a business, right, with a blank mind. You should have talents and skills in order to start a business. So what business expects from you is like you need to put new strategies, new tactics, new innovative ideas, new creative ideas in order to develop your business. That should be a goal set for your business. That should be a short term or a long term goal. You should have a smart goals for your business, right? So this is all about these business also expect something from you. There is expectations from all around your side, from 360 degree. You have expectations from faculty members, peers, father, mother, siblings, grandparents, likewise. So grandparents here, they are like a traditional members, where they do also help. They do also seek many values from you. You should follow good things in your life. So these things are really appreciated from the grandparents side. And coming to this society, so what society actually expects, what society is expecting from you, from the students like you. Society, actually, you're going to serve the society. You're going to actually fulfill the needs of the society, right? So society needs a quality output from your side. So you should give a proper output, a good input. I mean, proper output, the proper outcomes, the quality. So, for example, if you're a civil engineer, you should have good. You should construct a good quality of the buildings, right? That should be very good. So that should be a proper material used. No low quality material should not be used. In such a way, you should actually go for the dams constructions or the roadways, etc. For example, if you're like a lawyer, so lawyer, you should have a good, you should follow few rules and regulations for yourself. Likewise, a doctor, so engineer. So different professions are there, but the ultimate result should be the quality things, right? So you need to fulfill the needs and wants of the society. And as well as from coming to the government side, so in fact, like you need to follow the rules and regulations which is being implemented by the government, right? So these are the expectations of the people around you, starting from your parents, your grandparents, your peers, faculty members, business, society, as well as government, right? This is all about the expectations. So today, I'm actually giving a few things about these expectations, like because your journey starts from the expectations, right? So your father or mother may have some expectations from your side, like from you, in order to become a good guy in the society. So like they know they'll be having some interest for you in order to have a good life for you, right? So this expectations, it's actually the stepping stone of the life. So next slide, please. Yeah. So, like where you are standing, like what is your skills, what is your talents, so what is your strength, what is your weakness, where are you now? So, you know everything about you, right? So, you are actually existing with the skills which you have already, right? And also, few skills are actually insisted on you with the help of your parents and with your staff members, and even from the society as well. So, few things you have to be, you have to develop few things, right? So in order to transform, so you don't have you don't have few skills from your side in order to transform. So if you want to achieve the goal, actually if you want to make some changes, of course the changes can be done with the help of three things. One is education, second is training, and third one is practice. So what is education? So education is actually like, so people actually, you're actually starting your I mean you're right from the kindergarten, then going, actually you're completing your schoolings, and next you're going to college, and next you're going for the work. So this actually start with the basic foundation of education, right? So after that, not only this education is actually given by your parents and with the help of your staff members. And not only the changes will happen only with the help of this education, you should have complete training for your career. So training is actually very important. Of course, our college is actually giving many training. So you have like many good workshops, seminars, conferences. Like you do have many soft skills trainings, like personality trainings. So many motivational talks been given by many people guests, right? So this training will also make you a good guy in the society, right? So that training actually it is required. Not only training, so practice. So practice is required. Apart from the education and training, practice is also required. So practice makes a man perfect. So in order, you need, if you want to transform yourself into a completely full-fledged man, so of course you need all these things like education, training, and practice. So these all things will help you out to achieve a goal, right? So why do company actually they have a goal? So why company actually they have a goal? They have a goal in order to have a better outcomes and success. Likewise, each and every individual they should have a goal for yourself. Should know, like, see, you are into like third year of your engineering program. In next 2 years, where you are going to land. So what is your short term goal? So what is your long term goal in next 5 years, where you will be? So these things has to be pre planned, right? So goals are like, you should have a smart goals. So what is the smart goals? What is the smart goals? SMART. So what is the smart goals? What S stands for? What M stands for? And what A stands for? And what R stands for? And what T stands for? So you should have a smart goal. Goal, of course, right? So what is a smart goal? So what S stands for? What's it stands for? So I just want to know if you're actually with me. You can just type a message from your side. You're with you. You can type just S so that I'll. So actually, I can have a conversation with you because the section is going to be an interactive section. You can type your message. So like, you're with you. Like, yes, I'm not
Ah,
getting
okay,
you.
ma'am.
Yes, yes, sir. So actually, the mics are enabled, or it is actually unenabled, sir, so that the students can interact.
I will check, ma'am. I will check.
Yes, thank you. Yeah. So yeah, so I can see one message from one student. Right, yes. So you're all with me, I think. Just give me the abbreviation of the SMART goals. So of course, goal is actually required for each and every individual, right? So what is a SMART goal? Anyone from the group? What is a SMART goal? At least give me an abbreviation for the SMART goal. S stands for, M stands for, or A stands for, T stands for. Just give me an abbreviation. What is S? How your goal should be? How your goal should be? It should be specific, right? That is S stands for specific. And what does M stands for? M stands for? Anyone in the group? Yeah, Abdullah is specific. Very good. What M stands for? You can type measurable. Very good. And what A stands for? A stands for attractive. No, it is not attractive. Very good. Achievable. Again, I'm getting the answer from uh, who's this? Adila Banu, right? Yeah, very good. And R stands very good. Realistic and T stands for was time. Very good, very good. So I'm getting the answer from you people. Very good. So see, the transformation it occurs from one point to the other point because you're actually a passenger. You're actually going to travel in your life, right? So you have some existing skills with you, but along with that, you need some changes. There should be someone to push you. So those pushing factors or this education, training, and practice, in this way, you can achieve your goals. So goals are like smart goals. Be very specific with your goals. So for example, I can tell you, see, I'll be very fast in typing. Okay. Because for typing, what is required? What skill is required? What skill is required for typing? What skill is required? So if you want to type fast, what skill is required? Anyone in the group? Concentration and practice. Very good. Concentration and practice. Yes. So because as I told you before, this practice makes a man perfect. Because for example, you may say like, see, I'm actually very good at typing. Instead of saying that, you should say, what is your specific measurable goal is like, see, I will type fast. I will type fast, but I will type nearly 150 instead of 150 words. I might type 250 words per minute. So this is actually a measurable goal, right? Instead of saying a very general statement, you should go specific on your goals, right? So you may say like, see, I want to become a good aeronautical engineer. That might be your goal. But you have different divisions under this aeronautical department. So there should be some specific goal on your, on your stream. It should be very, very specific. It should be very measurable, and there should be a timely. So you cannot say like, you can say like, see, I will be a good aeronautical engineer in another like 1 or 2 years. But apart from that, you should say like, see, it should be very specific. Yeah, I'm going to put this. So I can achieve my goal in 1 or 2 years. This is my time frame. So I'm very specific on this. So however, I'm going to attain my goal. So it should be very specific on the goals. So the transformation actually starts initially with some existing skills, financial skills with you, and it is actually pushed by some external factors or internal factors. That is actually the change which is given by the education, training, and practice. In such a way, you can achieve the goals, right? So please, next slide. Yeah, see, you can see this picture. See, you just don't know, no need to confuse yourself. See, I've given a complete rough figure of the transformation process where actually it starts with a mentor or a tutor or a staff member. So at the initial change of your kindergarten, actually you're being guided or mentored or trained by your staff members in the kindergarten level, right? So they follow some methodology concepts, some andragogy. It's actually a concept methodology in order to it is actually a methodology for the adults. Actually, they give some methodology tools, systems in order to give a good training for yourself, right? So with this, what they actually do is like they just transform actually starts from the kindergarten level to the adult level. So they just facilitate you, they just guide you, they just support you, and actually at the end you become a self-learner, right? That actually you start to be a self-learner, right? After the kindergarten level, you go to schoolings, you complete your higher studies, and next you enter into this college program. So from that college program, of course, you take help from the staff members, and slowly, steadily, you transform yourself to be a self-learner, right? So you transform yourself to be a self-learner, and after that, what it is self-directed. So what is a self-directed? You also become a self-directed. Actually, you focus on resources. You know where are the resources available. So you know where are the resources available. You just you're actually searching for the resources. Because see, if you want to inbuild your knowledge, of course, you just search resources in your college. You may go to the library, right? You may also search in the internet. You may also search in the books, because the contents, the knowledges are available in each and everything. And you may also seek help from your staff members. This is actually the self-directed. So you actually be converted to a self-directed person. So self-determined is actually an individual who actually they have a natural designing skills. Okay, they are the person who actually they have a natural designing skills. So this transformation starts from a kindergarten level to adult level. You have many methods of converting this transformation process. I mean, many methodology, teaching methodology are there. And at last, you land as you just transform yourself as a self-learner. You know where are the resources available. So you're very self-directed, and finally, you're self-determined, right? This is actually the transformation process. So for everything, you need this thinking skills, communication skills, research skills. Searching for knowledge and searching for a knowledge is actually the research skills. And you should have self-management skills. So complete skills are required for you in order to transform yourself. Okay, next slide, sir. See you. Yeah. See, you have like self motivation, self management, self monitoring, and self modifications. So these are also the self determined things which you have to which you have to develop yourself. So what is the self management? So you have to control your behaviors, right? You should have independent thoughts for yourself. So whenever a problem arises, you should give a solution to the problem with making some creative concepts. Okay. So ஏதாவது ஒரு problem வருது அப்படின்னா you should give a solution to that problem. And next one is self monitoring. Self monitoring is like you need to monitor yourself. So there is no actually உங்க parents monitor பண்ணணும் இல்ல staffs monitor பண்ணணும் அப்படின்றது கிடையாது. You need to monitor yourself. Are you traveling in the right way? Are you traveling making yourself very comfortable with the situations? So are you right? Are you deviating yourself to some other odd things? So you should monitor yourself. Are you going to colleges on regular basis? Are you attending the seminars, webinars, trainings on regular times? Are you at time to college? So are you obeying your words of your staff members, parents? So these self-monitoring things actually that should be very important for yourself. So and not only that, sometimes if a feedback is given from your faculty members or from your parents side or from the society, so you need to take that feedback. You should modify because some mistake has happened and you are actually going the wrong way. This has been corrected by the people around you and you need to modify yourself, right? That is self modifications. And self motivations, because you should not have someone to motivate you, because you're the self motivator, right? So you need to motivate yourself because you need to say, see, okay, I'm actually down today, but I'll be good tomorrow. So you should say words on yourself. That self motivation will help you to travel a good life actually. So that because the road is actually full of நிறைய முள்ளு இருக்கும். But நாம தான் என்ன பண்ணணும், பார்த்து travel பண்ணணும். Because the self motivation, you need to say, you need to talk to yourself. You need to talk to yourself saying that you will be actually, you're right, you have good skills and you can do it more. So you can win, you can have a success life, so you can have a successful career, so you can have a successful life partner, so something like that. Okay, because self motivation should be the one which actually give a proper good outcomes for yourself. Okay, so this is all about the self management. This is all about some self monitoring techniques, right? So next slide, sir. Right. So coming to the next point is self-awareness. So I just want to know from the crowd, what is self-awareness here? Self-awareness, anyone from the group here? Self-awareness. Self-awareness, Nana. You can type. What is self-awareness? Yes. Right. So very good. Aware of things around us. Alex, right? Yeah. So I'm getting answer from Alex. It's actually an aware of things around us. Certainly, yes. So you should be aware about the things which is happening around you, right? You should be very self-aware of the things happening around you, right? So you should know like what am I feeling good? So how about my thoughts? So in which way I'm traveling. So everything it has to be monitored by you. Okay. So this is actually about the self-awareness, because if you don't have self-awareness, you may not enter into a good life. Actually, you may fail into something. The awareness things, awareness measures. There are many awareness measures, techniques are there. So you need to monitor yourself, saying that I'm very good, and actually I'm a good. I'm actually very good at my points. Actually, I'm good at my things. So everything has to be monitored. That is actually a self-awareness. Okay. So next slide, sir. Right. So self-esteem. So about the self-esteem. This about this concept. No, this is actually the very good concept. The self-esteem is a very good concept. This concept is actually given in the book. You Can Win. So who's the author of this book? You Can Win. Anyone in the group? Who's the author of the book You Can Win? Author of the book You Can Win.
Shakara.
Good done. Yeah, thank you. Thank you, Mohana Priya ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Yes. So actually, this is all about the self-esteem concepts. Okay. So here, the self-esteem concepts, which actually describe your own respect, your confidence, your acceptance. If something happened, you should accept naturally. Okay. You should not deny that. That self-acceptance should start naturally, right? And not only that, there should be a self-respect. What is self-respect actually? Respect is generally okay, but what is self-respect? You need to respect yourself. Should not actually demotivate yourself. Should not think that, should not have some guiltiness, like okay, when you are seeing your friends or families, someone is actually very good, and if they are actually very good, they're very skilled, very talented. So you should not think that you are very low when comparing to those people. Okay. So you should have a self-respect for yourself, and you should have very confident, right? Because you are actually a thing stands with your good confident levels. So you should have a good positive attitude, right? If you have a low esteem, you cannot grow. If you should have a high esteem of things. So this high esteem people always, they'll be very confident. They'll be very, very flexible. They'll be very good at communicate. They're very good communicator. And next thing is like they understand the people's mind. They know they'll be very creative. They'll be very innovative. These high esteem people are really good. They're actually the optimistic type of people. Whereas this low esteem type of people, no, they're very pessimistic. They are actually the negative attitude people. They're not good at their behaviors or characters. Okay. So you need to start the day with good self-esteemed things. So the self-esteemed concept is clearly explained in the book You Can Win by Shivakera. Actually, this is actually the book. It is a step-by-step tool for the achievers. So if you want to become a good achiever, a good man in the society, a good engineer, of course, you just read this book. Okay, it's all about good concepts about the leadership things. The other things like motivations. So every concepts are clearly explained in this book. Next slide, please. Yeah. So actually, this is actually a good message, right? See this message, a nice message is written in this balloon. So which was flying high up in the sky. It is not what is outside, but it's what's inside that takes you actually, right? So what is a gas filled in this balloon? Anyone from this group? Balloon la enna gas fill aayirukkum? What is it gas actually? Enna gas fill aayirukkum? Yes. So balloon la enna gas irukkum? Very good. Sridhar, right? Yes. Helium gas. Helium gas, இன்னொரு gas என்னது? Okay, helium gas இருக்கு. இன்னும் ஒரு gas இருக்கு. என்ன gas அது? Very good. Helium gas. One more gas. Yeah, it's a hydrogen gas. Okay, helium or hydrogen gas. So the density பாத்தீங்கன்னா ஏரை விட ரொம்ப கம்மியா இருக்கனால பலூன் வந்து பாத்தீங்கன்னா இட்ஸ் ஆக்சுவல் கான்செப்ட் என்னன்னு பாத்தீங்கன்னா ரொம்ப ஹைட் ஆஃப் பறக்கும். பட் இதுல வந்து பாத்தீங்கன்னா one important good message from this balloon is actually, so you should not see like இதுல என்ன actually what is message given in this particular concept ல என்ன கொடுத்திருக்காங்க, என்ன மெசேஜ் கொடுத்திருக்காங்க? Because it is all not about what outside, right? See, வெளியில பார்த்து நம்ம என்ன பண்ண கூடாது, we should not do anything. It's all about like what inside that takes up to the high level. So inside what things, what qualities you should have. So நீங்க வெளியில okay, you may dress good, you'll be, I mean you can look very good, so நல்லா dress பண்ணுவீங்க, நல்லா போவீங்க வருவீங்க, but everything apart from that, what inner qualities are required here? What inner qualities will push you to a greater heights? So inner qualities வேணும், inner quality. Yes, very good. Inner quality கொடுத்துட்டீங்க. But what qualities are required here? If you want to go, if you want to travel to a greater heights, go to a greater heights. So என்ன inner quality வேணும் உங்களுக்கு? What are the inner qualities required? Passive thinking, very good. Adila, Banu, okay. Kritika, yes, I'm sorry. Loyalty, Alex, very good. Next, a dependence on their interest. Very good. Next. Any other points? Dreams. Very good. As said by Abdul Kalam, because you need to dream. Yeah. Next. Any other points? Okay. See, like inner qualities in a sense, like should have a very good behaviors, characters, and you should know you should know your strengths. Okay. And yeah, development of skills, disciplines, so everything is needed. Good discipline. So these are some inner skills. Actually, I'm getting the answer from the crowd itself. Okay, very good. So thank you for your answers. Right. So this actually a message where see பாத்தீங்கன்னா வெளியில இருந்து நம்ம எப்பவுமே என்ன பண்ண கூடாது, ஒருத்தரை வந்துட்டு you should not judge someone by the outer appearance, right? And also you should, if you want to grow to greater heights, and you should have some inner good qualities, as you said, like development of skills, dreams, I mean behaviors, disciplines, everything. So next slide. Right. So who are we here? So why are we here? Yes, who are we here actually? Why are we here in this world? From the birth to death, actually we travel in between, right? So what we are actually doing in between from birth to death? Okay, so what we are doing it? Yeah, you are actually a student. Very good. Any other point? To learn, actually you're a student to learn. Very good. Any other points? Just think it. Actually you're here in order to develop yourself, development in manner, learn something new. Very good. Janu, yes. Banupriya, to learn. Gaining knowledge. Very good. Okay. Sridhar, I'm getting repeated answers from only few people. So how about others? You can even you can interact, can say your answers. Yeah, see, like you're a student here now, right? Who are we here? You're a student. Yes, of course. Very good. And just apart from this, you think something different. Yeah, learn, understand, and make others understand. Banupriya, good. Any other points? So are we here only to learn? Are we here only to learn and convey the things to others? What is our actual purpose being in this world? Get practice. Okay. Aware, arise, and achieve. Very good, Alex. To study the ethical issues faced by engineering field. Very good. I think like many ethical issues are there. You would have learned all these things in your professional ethics and human values book. Very good. Yeah, those things are here. So actually, because yeah, you are very right. Actually, right. You are actually thinking from your point of view as an engineer. You are actually thinking the concepts in your way, like because you need to understand the professional ethical values for the society. So, tolil dharmam enna, what is integrity, what is loyalty, so everything, you know, like okay, in order to serve the society, நீங்க அப்படி அவங்க எப்படி satisfaction பண்ணணும், so what things are required from your side, how can you contribute your things to the society, So these things, okay. So this from this slide, actually, who are we here? Because if I'm a doctor, I'm actually here to serve the patients. Okay, if I'm an engineer, I'm actually here to serve the society, right? So if I'm a pilot, I'm actually here in order to save the passengers. I'm actually, I want the passengers to travel in a sophisticated way. I mean, in a safe manner. I need to take them to the other side, right? So these are the actual answers. So because there should be some motive, there should be some inner thoughts actually with this particular side. So you should know your values. So who are we here? We should understand our values. We should know who we should know ourselves. Like so, who am I? So you should ask who am I? So why I'm here in this world? What is the purpose of my birth in this world? So what should I do? So how can I create an identity for myself? So these things has to be decided by you, right? In this way, you can achieve the success, because in order to achieve the success, you have to practice many things. So learn many things. So these things are very important. So next slide, please. Yeah, now again, one question, I have a question for you, like who are you? Who are you? See, we have different answers here. So if you have a child, so how about you'll be thinking like you'll be very creative. If you're a child, you'll be very creative, imaginative. So you don't have all social skills. So few skills you don't have. But if you're an adult, you are very goal oriented. You have a good control on your emotions. So you have some physical limitations, control on yourself. You have some practical knowledge. So you're actually result oriented. You have many responsibilities for yourself. These are the main difference between a child and the adult. But all we are actually, so when you take the characteristics, behaviors of adult and a child, so there are many differences, because the child actually it behaves in his own, because it is a starting stage of a child where it learns when it grows actually. But an adult, the complete grown man. But are we possessing all the skills? Are you sure? Are we possessing all the skills? If yes, just type yes. Are we possessing all the skills now? If you agree with me, just type yes. If you agree with this concern things, I mean adult, you can type yes. If you don't agree, you can type no. I'm not getting any answer from your side. Right. See, actually, no. As an adult, we should have all these qualities. Yeah. So Alex says yes, ma'am. I do have all these qualities. Karan says no, ma'am. I mean, I don't have. I don't possess all these qualities. Okay. Yeah. See, actually, no. Few of us actually we lag in any one of the qualities. We are not possessing all these qualities, right? So you should know in which skills are you lagging. So you need to change that. Okay. So you should understand. So what is the thing lagging with me? Either I'm not good at this emotional. I'm not good at with the emotional things, because nowadays when you're going for an interview, rather checking about this. Previously they were checking about your aptitude, right? But nowadays, what people are checking, they're actually checking your emotional things. So how good are you with controlling the emotions? Because the complete work atmosphere might be filled with complete stressful. Okay, it's completely filled with some stressful activities. So you should know how to control your emotions. So few might not be good at goal oriented, because you don't have any goal for yourself. You just actually pass the days, just go to college. Yeah. You'll actually learn, and after that, by your parents compulsion, you go and land in a job. That is actually done by yourself. But that should not be done. You should have a specific goal for your life. Okay. So I'm practicing, ma'am. Very good. Yes. Okay. Next slide, please. Yeah. So you should have self-awareness. So what are the self-awareness? So you can have self-awareness by using profiling inventories. So these are some points. I've given you a few points here. So locus of control, because your destiny has to be controlled yourself. We should not be controlled by the external forces. Okay, you should decide your destiny for yourself. Okay, should not be controlled by the external forces like God, some other peoples or fate. That should not be controlled by some other outside factors. And the learning style should be, you can have any one type of learning skills, but that should be a good learning skills. Okay, so three types of learners are there, like visual learners are there, tactile learners are there, auditory learners are there. So one is visual learners is actually the learning by the sight. An auditory learner is actually learning by hearing, and tactile learners it's actually learning by the touch. Okay, because the people's we do have different types of peoples. We may have different types of styles of learning, but that is not actually needed. But you should be aware of in which way you are understanding the concepts and keeping in your mind. Okay, just pushing into your mind. Okay, and next thing is like you need to analyze your SWOT analysis in order to set your goals. Because what is SWOT actually? What is SWOT here? You can type it. What is what S stands for, what W stands for, and what O stands for. You can abbreviate this as what. S stands for yes, S stands for as an individual. See, when you have two different people, like one side is individual, the other side is the company side. Okay, so as an individual, you should have a SWOT analysis for yourself, and also from the other side, the company should know the SWOT analysis for themselves. Very good answer. Okay, Teak, right? Yeah, strength. So S stands for strength, and what is W? It stands for weakness, and O stands for opportunities and threats. Very good, again. Okay, very good answer. See, actually, why do we analyze this SWOT for ourselves? So you should know what is your strength. So that strength can be analyzed from asking from your friends, because your friends know what is your strength and what is your weakness. Okay, and you should know your opportunities, because n number of opportunities have been provided in the institution. You should take the opportunities. If you have been given an opportunity to speak in front of others, you should speak well, right? If you have been given an opportunity to take a seminar, you should do, right? And if you've been given an opportunity to organize a function, you need to organize. So opportunities are there around you, but we're not making use of the opportunities. And next is threats. So what is actual threat? For few of them, financial. For individual part, financial might be one type of threat. Some health issues may be a threat. This is actually for individual. Coming to the other side, for the industry side, even the company should know what is their strength, what is their weakness, what are the opportunities they got getting in the market, in the job market, and what is the threats. Either they are having any pressures from the politicians or from the government side. So that thing should be known. So this actually the SWOT analysis should be done for the individual as well as for the company in order to achieve your goal. And next thing is like learning diary. So this is actually in order to learn yourself. Okay, should be a self learner. You can read many books, or you can read newspapers. So you can watch many contents from the videos, YouTubes. So many good contents are there. In such a way, you should be a self learner, and you should know about 5 personalities. Okay, that 5 personalities, you can get some message from those 5 personalities. So நிறைய பேர் இருக்காங்க இல்லையா? So you have if you like cricket players, ஏதாவது good personalities, Sachin Tendulkar எடுத்துக்கலாம் இல்லையா? So coming to the other side, so you can Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam role, you can be a role model, right? Actually can take some messages from Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. So the other side, so many great personalities are there. So Mahatma Gandhi கிட்ட இருந்து ஒரு important message எடுத்துக்கலாம். So அதை நம்ம follow பண்ணலாம். So you should have big 5 personality dimensions things. Okay. And next is like should have some innovations, and let us discuss in the next coming slides. And competencies is very important, because this world is filled with many competitors. So you should know who's a competitor. Appa, you should have this unique selling proposition. What is this USP? Is unique selling proposition. Why it is needed? Anyone from here, do you have a unique selling proposition for yourself? Unique selling point for yourself? Right. So unique selling proposition when the pathina is actually it is required for an individual as well as for any organizations. Okay. So in order to have நீங்க சொல்லலாம் see competitor கிட்ட இல்லாதது என்கிட்ட என்ன இருக்கு அப்படிங்கறது நீங்க சொல்லணும். So that is actually the unique selling proposition, right? ஸோ மத்தவங்க கிட்ட இல்லாதது எங்கிட்ட என்ன இருக்கு, ஸோ ஹவ் ஆம் ஐ, எங்கிட்ட என்ன ஸ்கில்ஸ் இருக்கு அப்படின்னு சொல்றதுதான், ரைட்? ஃபார் எக்ஸாம்பிள் நீங்க ஒரு ஹோம் ஸ்டே இல்ல சம்திங் லைக் ஒரு காட்டேஜ், ஏதோ ஒரு காட்டேஜ் ரன் பண்றீங்க அப்படிங்கும் போது கிவிங் குவாலிட்டி அண்ட் குட் ஆம்பியன்ஸ், அது வந்து என்னோட யூஎஸ்பி. பட் அவங்க கிட்ட இல்ல அப்படின்னு சொல்லி தட் இஸ் ஆக்சுவலி த யூனிக் செல்லிங் பிரைஸ். ஸோ நெக்ஸ்ட் திங் இஸ் லைக் you should know something about this entrepreneurship development. So who are entrepreneurs? One who takes risk, the other entrepreneur, right? So you should have the complete knowledge about this business. So who are business, what types of business are there? So like after completing your engineering program, like you may land, you can become a entrepreneur also, right? So these things are required. Next slide please. Right. See, you have like coming to this particular slide, you have 4 different zones. Okay. The first zone actually it is a comfortable zone, and second zone is fear zone, third is learning zone, and fourth is success zone. So இது comfortable zone வந்து பாத்தீங்கன்னா you'll be very comfortable. இப்ப நீங்க வீட்ல இருக்க மாதிரியே நீங்க ரொம்ப ஜாலியா இருப்பீங்க, எந்த வேலையும் செய்ய மாட்டீங்க. Be very very comfortable because you're all pampered kid இல்லையா? சோ அப்பா அம்மா உங்களை என்ன பண்ணுவாங்கன்னா எந்த வேலையும் செய்ய வைக்காம உங்களை நல்லா பார்த்து பொத்தி நல்லா வளர்த்துவாங்க. You're very very comfortable. You'll be very you'll be safe, right? That is actually comfortable zone. Fear zone வரும்போது பாத்தீங்கன்னா next ஒரு ஸ்டெப் அது ahead. So இது வந்து பாத்தீங்கன்னா actually you don't have confidence actually. எப்ப பார்த்தாலும் எக்ஸ்கியூஸ் கேட்டுக்கிட்டே இருப்பீங்க. இன்னைக்கு ஏன் செமினார் முடிக்கல, இன்னைக்கு ஏன் உங்க ப்ராஜெக்ட் முடிக்கல அப்படின்னு சொல்லி கேட்டீங்கன்னா பிகாஸ் ஐ ஹேவ் திஸ் ஹெல்த் இஷ்யூ, மை ஃபாதர் வாஸ் நாட் வெல், தாத்தா இறந்துட்டாங்க, பாட்டி இறந்துட்டாங்க. சம் எக்ஸ்கியூசஸ் we usually often we convey, right, to the staff members, right, your professors. So அதே மாதிரி என்ன பண்ணுவீங்க, you're not very strong with your opinions. So you'll be very very attracted to some other opinions. அவர் அப்படி சொன்னார் அதனால நான் அப்படி செய்யறேன், so இவர் அப்படி சொன்னார் அதனால நான் அப்படி செய்யறேன். Because you don't have உங்களுக்குன்னு தனி சுயமான points எதுவுமே இருக்காது. So that is actually this is the stage of people. There are many people under this fear zone, right? So next to that is what learning zone. So in the learning zone இருக்கவங்க என்ன பண்ணுவாங்கன்னு பாத்தீங்கன்னா அவங்க அந்த கம்ஃபர்ட் ஜோன்ல இருந்து கொஞ்சம் வெளியில வந்துருவாங்க. They acquire good skills. They know what skills are required for them. If I'm a doctor, I should take care of the patients. So I know like what are the skills required in order to take care of the patients. So அப்ப நான் என்ன மாதிரி skills நான் develop பண்ணிக்கணும் அப்படிங்கறத அவங்க தெரிஞ்சுக்குவாங்க. Like if you're an engineering graduate and you know like because this skills, particular skill, because I should be very strong in good enough in designing things, experiments, making experiments, so testing. So இந்த skills எனக்கு கண்டிப்பா வேணும். நான் நிறைய இன்னோவேட்டிவா திங்க் பண்ணணும், கிரியேட்டிவா யோசிக்கணும், நிறைய டிசைன்ஸ் ஆக்சுவலா நான் மேக் பண்ணணும், ப்ராஜெக்ட்ஸ் நான் எக்ஸ்பேண்ட் பண்ணணும். ஸோ இது எல்லாமே வந்து பாத்தீங்கன்னா திஸ் வில் கம் அண்டர் திஸ் லேர்னிங் ஜோன். ஓகே. ஸோ நிறைய சேலஞ்சஸ் நிறைய எடுப்பீங்க. ஸோ நிறைய சேலஞ்சஸ் ஃபேஸ் பண்ணுவீங்க, நிறைய ப்ராப்ளம்ஸ் சொல்யூஷன்ஸ் கொடுப்பீங்க. ஸோ தீஸ் பார்ட் ஆஃப் பீப்புள் வில் கம் அண்டர் திஸ் லேர்னிங் ஜோன். The last zone is called success zone அப்படின்னு சொல்றது. பட் இதுல என்ன பண்ணுவீங்கன்னு பாத்தீங்கன்னா this is just one step ahead of this learning zone. Actually people start to inspire others. Okay, ஒருத்தர் உங்களை பாக்குறாங்க அப்படிங்கும் போது இவரை மாதிரி இருக்கணும், இவரை மாதிரி பேசணும், இவரை மாதிரி நடந்துக்கணும், இவரை மாதிரி நம்ம லைஃப்ல வந்துட்டு நல்லா நிறைய அச்சீவ் பண்ணணும் அப்படின்றது நினைப்பாங்க. So this is actually the inspiring zone. ஓகேவா? So inspire like the people will inspire you and you actually live your dreams because you have a dream for yourself. So அந்த ட்ரீம் நீங்க என்ன பண்ணுவீங்கன்னு பாத்தீங்கன்னா அச்சீவ் பண்ணுவீங்க. ஸோ ட்ரீமை கண்டிப்பா நீங்க ட்ரீமை கண்டிப்பா அச்சீவ் பண்ணுவீங்க. யூ வில் ஹாவ் அ குட் சக்சஸ், யூ வில் ஹாவ் அ குட் க்ரோத் ஆக்சுவலி. ஸோ நிறைய அது இல்லாம இன்னும் எக்ஸ்ட்ரா என்ன ஸ்கில்ஸ் வேணுமோ அது எல்லாமே அக்வயர் பண்ணிப்பீங்க. உங்க அப்ஜெக்டிவ் செட் பண்ணிப்பீங்க. உங்க ஷார்ட் டேர்ம் கோல் என்ன, ஸோ லாங் டேர்ம் கோல் என்ன அப்படிங்கறத யூ வில் பி டிசைடிங் இட் அண்ட் பேஸ்ட் ஆன் யுவர் கோல்ஸ் யூ வில் பி கோயிங் டு த next part of your life. Okay, this is actually the 4 different types of zones. So now I am questioning you, in which zone are you at? Either you are at the comfort zone, you're at fear zone, or you're at the learning zone, or you're at success zone. You can type it here. I think people got the concept about this different types of zones, right? So this actually it starts from the disaster zone to the success zone. So I can see okay, Adila Banu actually she's at learning zone, and Alex he's at learning zone, and even Karan is also at learning zone. Very good. And Adik, right? He's also at learning zone. Jagan is also at learning zone. I can see many people are at learning zone. Okay. Give me some frank answer. No, madam, I'm not at learning zone. Even I'm not at fear zone. Actually, I'm at comfort zone. Who are at comfort zone? Any one answer from your side? I'm really comfortable. See, I'm not taking any risk in my life. Na risk edukave virumbala. See, I'm very comfortable because my parents are there to give money. My parents are there to take care of me. And completely, I'm actually doing my engineering program. But எனக்கு அதுக்கு மேல என்ன வேணும் எல்லாமே அவங்களே கொடுத்துருக்காங்க அவங்களே நிறைய பைசா வச்சிருக்காங்க நாளைக்கு நான் கஷ்டப்படணும்னு என்ன இருக்கு ஐம் வெரி கம்ஃபர்டபிள் இந்த ஜோன் இட் செல்ஃப் அப்படின்னு சொல்றது யாராவது இருக்கீங்களா இங்க கம்ஃபர்ட் ஜோன்ல இருக்கவங்க So almost you can see only learning zone. How about this comfort zone? Yeah, I'm getting one good answer from Hema Shri. So அவங்க ஒத்துக்கிட்டாங்க மேடம் I'm at comfort zone ஒத்துக்கிட்டாங்க கரண் வந்து no ma'am இல்ல okay this right. So any other people? So யாராவது fear zoneல இருக்கீங்களா யாராவது fear zoneல இருக்கீங்களா fear zoneல யாராவது ஒருத்தர்னாது fear zone? No. So I think most of you are at learning zone. Very good answers. I'm really appreciating you people. Hands up to each and every one of you. Like most of them are at learning zone. It's really appreciated. Like because there is only one zone ahead. Like you need to move to the success zone. And if you go there, and of course you'll have bunch of happiness and joyous and peacefulness and also success. Right. So this is all about this zone. And you need to decide yourself in so few of them the others you doesn't know like where you are at, but you just think of it like where you're at. Either you're at fear zone or at growth zone or at comfort zone. Okay, so make yourself right of the things, right? Because we are studying, so all are in learning zone. Oh, right, good answer. Yeah, you're thinking in the right way. Okay, so Karan actually is saying because we are all studying, so all are in learning zone. Okay, right. But even you're studying, few of them know even they have started a small business apart from their studies. No, they actually work part-time, they earn money, they take care of their family business. So these things are even happening right from after their higher studies. I have seen many people who started their business, a small startup, something like that, and even they are actually achieving it, right? So these things can happen in a small age also. You cannot wait until you complete your graduations or programs, right? Okay, very good. So next slide, please. Yeah. So actually, right, if you want to come out of that comfortable zone, no, you need to follow all these tips, right? So you should do different things, right? And every day you should know what are the opportunities are available around you. So you should expand your professional skills. You should have a good diet for yourself and take workouts to the next level. And also it should be very, very creative. You should practice. You should be very challenging. So idella vandu neenga and the comfortable zone la irundhu next varadhukaga and the fear zone learning zone la irundhu neenga vandu success zone ku varadhukaga neenga oru sila vishayangal la kadaipidicheenga appadina you can be very successful, right? So next slide, please. Yeah. See, this is actually a very good concept. Pathina, it's actually Abraham Maslow's law. So இது வந்து hierarchy law இது actually. இது என்னன்னு பாத்தீங்கன்னா it's completely about the growth part. So the growth ஒரு மனுஷன் இருக்கான் அப்படின்னு பாத்தீங்கன்னா அவனுக்கு என்னென்ன தேவை, basic needs என்ன வேணும். So அவனுக்கு சாப்பாடு வேணும், தங்கறதுக்கு இடம் வேணும். Okay, எனக்கு இருக்கு. பட் அதுக்கு மேல எனக்கு என்ன வேணும்னு சொல்லி பாத்தீங்கன்னா அஃப்கோர்ஸ் ஐ நீட் சம் லவ் அண்ட் கேரிங். ஸோ எனக்கு அப்பா அம்மா கிட்ட ஒரு பாசம் மரவணைப்பு கிடைக்கணும். நாளைக்கு எனக்கு கல்யாணம் ஆயிடுச்சுன்னா எனக்கு வந்துட்டு ஹஸ்பண்டோ ஒய்ஃபோ அவங்க ரொம்ப கேரிங்கா இருக்கணும். ஸோ அதுக்கும் அடுத்த ஓகே இதுவும் எனக்கு கிடைச்சிருச்சு. நெக்ஸ்ட் வாட் இஸ் த நெக்ஸ்ட் லெவல் ஐ நீடட் அப்படின்னு பாத்தீங்கன்னா இந்த எஸ்டீம் ஷுட் பி வெரி பிரஸ்டீஜியஸ். பாத்தீங்கன்னா ஷுட் பி ஃபீல் பிரஸ்டீஜ். எனக்கு வந்து பாத்தீங்கன்னா சொசைட்டில ஒரு நல்ல பேர் கிடைக்கணும். யா so our so like யாருங்க அப்துல் so அவர் உண்மையாகி இஸ் a very good personality அப்படின்னு சொல்லிட்டு எல்லாருமே சொசைட்டில வந்து நல்ல உங்களை பத்தி பேசணும், நல்ல விதமா பேசணும் அப்படிங்கிற மாதிரி. சோ அதுவும் இருக்கு எனக்கு அப்படிங்கும் போது நெக்ஸ்ட் இஸ் லைக் ஐ நீட் சம் செல்ஃப் ஆக்சுவலைசேஷன். அதான் வந்து பாத்தீங்கன்னா the growth the last ஸ்டேஜ்னு சொல்லி சொல்றது, லாஸ்ட் நீட்ஸ்னு சொல்லி சொல்றது. ஓகே, சோ இது வந்து பாத்தீங்கன்னா சேம் as it is actually related to that concept the zone, different types of zones இருக்குல்ல. சோ இது அதே மாதிரி தான் இதுமே. But you need to know like what are you need to know the basic needs. So last step, I think you should land in the growth, actually. Growth need you should have. Okay. So next slide, please. Right. So coming to the concept, so innovations with the design thinking, it actually demands a critical thinking. Okay, because this innovation, design, and critical thinking are all related with each other. You should have good assumptions for your designs. You should have good knowledge and talents in order to design. Okay, so you should put your ideas together in order to make a complete figure. Okay, it might be anything, right? You should use some good inputs. Good inputs கொடுக்கல அப்படின்னா you cannot have a proper outcome. So output will not be really good. Okay, so ஒரு proper shape கொண்டு வரணும்னு சொல்லி பாத்தீங்கன்னா what you should do, for example, ஒரு கம்ப்ளீட்டா ஒரு கல் இருக்கு அப்படிங்கும்போது அந்த கல்லை செதுக்குனீங்க அப்படிங்கன்னா they can have a good figure, right? So ஒரு சிலையா நம்ம என்ன பண்ண முடியும், செய்ய முடியும். So அதுக்கு என்ன வேணும்னு பாத்தீங்கன்னா you need some few techniques and tools in order to design that stone, right? So வேணுங்கிறது எல்லாத்தையும் just you need to send it out, right? So this is what all this innovation, design, and critical, it's all interrelated with each other. So next, please. Next slide, please. Yeah. So as we can see this figure, so you should not have some theoretical exposure, you should have a practical exposure. So you should know, for example, when you see a car, you should understand so what mechanism is actually it's operating. So you need to understand the complete hardware and software, some mechanism of the car. Actually, you should not see the complete out figure of that particular product. Okay, so you should have some practical exposures. So next slide, please. Yeah. So why do engineers actually they need this critical thinking skills? Okay. So as an engineer, you are actually facing many the society is actually facing many problems in this many problems. So what is the duty of yourself is to give a solution to that particular problem, because you are there in order to solve the problems of the society, and you are going to serve the needs and wants of the society. You are going to give a proper solution to the problem, right? So this is how the engineers actually, you need to think in a critical way. So you should have this critical thinking skills. So for it is all required for all engineering graduates to understand the complete engineering problems. Okay, so you should describe what is a problem. So problem எப்படி வந்திருக்கு, so the problem எப்படி solve பண்ணலாம், நம்ம ரெகுலரா நார்மலா இருக்கிற ப்ராப்ளம் நார்மலா இருக்க சொல்யூஷன்ஸ் ஏதாவது போடலாமா, இல்ல நம்ம டிஃபரெண்டா யோசிச்சு பண்ணலாமா, அப்ப என்ன பண்ணணும், you should come out with a solution for a particular problem. That is why this critical thinking skills are required. And why this creative thinking is important for an engineer actually பாத்தீங்கன்னா in order to meet the advancing goal of an engineering profession. Okay, so ஒரு நியூ ப்ராடக்ட் இல்ல சிஸ்டம்ஸ் நீங்க டிசைன் பண்ண போறீங்க அப்படிங்கும்போது கண்டிப்பா நீங்க என்ன பண்ணணும், நீங்க இருக்கிற சிஸ்டமையோ இல்ல என்ன இருக்கிற சிஸ்டம் நீங்க என்ன பண்ணணும்னு பாத்தீங்கன்னா இம்ப்ரூவ் பண்ணணும், இல்ல ஆல்ரெடி இருக்கிறத வந்து நீங்க என்ன பண்ணணும், இம்ப்ரூவ் பண்ணணும். So that is actually needed for the engineers. So how design thinking relies on, so you can see so design thinking actually relies on the complete figures. You can see one good example is like yeah. So how design thinking relies on yeah, hello, am I audible?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So design thinking actually it relies on some inductive reasoning. So one good example is like most of our snowstorms come from the north. So you should say that in which direction the snowstorms are coming. So you should rely on the particular actual reasons. Okay. So these are the different skills. Actually, as an engineer, should have a critical thinking skills, as well as an engineer should have a creative thinking skills, as well as an engineer should have a design thinking skills. Okay. So next slide, please. Right, next slide. Yeah, So this design thinking actually it is adapted for business purpose by fast Stanford colleague named David M. Kelly, who founded the design in the year 1991. So actually this design thinking is actually it's a complete challenging assumptions part. Okay, so this actually if you have a problem, you need to give a solution from the problem. For that only actually it is designed. So you have a different modes actually. One is empathize, define, ideate, and prototype and test. So you got a problem. Next slide, please. Yeah. So you first you should understand the problems from the users. Okay. So user problems understand define so அதுல என்ன challenges இருக்கு நீங்க understand பண்ணிக்கணும். So அதுக்கு ஒரு prototype test பண்ணணும். Next testing போகணும். Last finally you'll be giving a solution. This is how the design thinking actually works. Okay. So next slide, please. Yeah. So இந்த figureல வந்து பாத்தீங்கன்னா I can see a vehicle. Okay. இது வந்து பாத்தீங்கன்னா ஒரு so அடியில வந்து பாத்தீங்கன்னா ஒரு பாலத்துக்கு அடியில மாட்டிக்கிச்சு. So if நீங்க அது பக்கத்துல இருக்கும்போது for example imagine that you are nearby the vehicle. Okay. So நீங்க இதை எப்படி என்ன பண்ணுவீங்க? What solution will give this particular problem? நீங்க என்ன பண்ணுவீங்க? So இந்த vehicle actually வெளியில வரணும், right? So மேல ஸ்டக் ஆயிடுச்சு.
Gas of the tire, ma'am.
Who is this?
Adila one, ma'am.
Right. So நீங்க என்ன பண்ணுவீங்க?
Remove the gas of the tire.
To remove the gas of the tire. Very good. Right. So some problem is there, but you want to give a solution. So you should have some design thinking. So this is how the design thinking it happens here. So you should reduce the air in the tire, which answer is given by Alex. Okay, very good. So you have given a good answer. The same thinking skills you should applicable in some in some areas. Okay. For example, you are traveling by car. Okay, car travel பண்றீங்க. ரோட்ல ஒருத்தருக்கு என்ன ஆயிடுச்சுன்னு பாத்தீங்கன்னா ஸ்ட்ரோக் சம்திங் ஹார்ட் ப்ராப்ளம் ஆயிடுச்சு. ஸோ அவருக்கு ஹார்ட் அட்டாக் வந்துருச்சு. ஸோ இப்போ நீங்க என்ன பண்ணுவீங்க அந்த இடத்துல? எப்படி இமீடியட்டா ரியாக்ட் பண்ணுவீங்க? சிபிஆர்னா என்னது? abbreviation of CPR, Alex? CPR என்ன? So first aid measures கொடுப்பீங்க இல்லையா? So basic life support கொடுப்பீங்க. So என்ன பண்ணுவீங்கன்னா அவங்க நெஞ்சை அழுத்திட்டு so அவங்களுக்கு என்ன பண்ணுவீங்க? ஆக்சிஜன் சப்ளை கொடுப்பீங்க, அவங்களை காப்பாத்துவீங்க. டக்குன்னு நீங்க யோசிப்பீங்க. ஓகே ஃபைன். So right. Next slide please. Right. So எப்பயுமே நீங்க என்ன பண்ணணும்? You need to think outside the box. சரியா? நார்மலா எப்பயும் எல்லாரும் ஒரு திங்க் பண்ற மாதிரி இல்லாம you need to just think outside the box, right? So that is actually the design thinking. Next slide please. Right. So what is this figure? What is this figure actually? You can narrate this particular concept here. There were concept kadiyadu. Some message is given here. So just give me what is actually. Okay, Alex has given an answer. Yes, just give me what message is conveyed here. What message you get? You actually are getting it from this particular picture. See, a man is actually you can see two different mans. They're very busy with their work, right? So ஒரு பொருள் எழுதிட்டு போயிட்டே இருக்காங்க, ரொம்ப ஹார்ட் ஒர்க் பண்றாங்க. கரெக்ட், வெரி குட், ரைட். பட் ஒருத்தர் வந்து ஹெல்ப் கேக்குறாங்க, ஹெல்ப் பண்றேன்னு சொல்லி கேக்குறாரு. வாட் இஸ் தட்? அவர் கையில என்ன இருக்கு? அவர் கையில என்ன இருக்கு? கையில என்ன இருக்கு? Very good. The person give tires. Very good. But they ignored. Very good. Right. They ignored. Correct. Because these people are really doing hard work. Smart work பண்ணல, hard work பண்றாங்க. They are very busy with their work. But இருந்தாலும் ஒருத்தர் அப்ரோச் பண்ணி கேக்குறாரு, see இது ஓகே, இந்த மெஷின் இருக்கு, ஐ மீன் இந்த வண்டி இருக்கு, பட் இதுக்கு டயர் கிடையாது, நான் உங்களுக்கு ஹெல்ப் பண்றேன், டயர் ஃபிக்ஸ் பண்ணிக்கோங்க, உங்க ஒர்க் இன்னும் ஸ்மூத்தரா ஃபாஸ்டரா முடிக்கலாம், ஸ்மார்ட்டா பண்ணலாம்னு சொல்லி கேக்குறாங்க. பட் அவங்க என்ன சொல்றாங்க? They're just avoiding, they're just ignoring, right? The help. Okay. So இதுல வந்து பாத்தீங்கன்னா நிறைய பேர் சொன்னீங்க ஹார்ட் ஒர்க் சொன்னாங்க, ஸ்மார்ட் ஒர்க் சொன்னாங்க, ஒருத்தர் டயர் கொடுத்தாங்கன்னு சொல்றாங்க, வீல்ஸ் கொடுத்தீங்கன்னு சொல்றீங்க. சோ அதர்ஸ் டெவலப் பண்ணணும்னு நினைக்கிறீங்க. அதான் நீங்க டிஃபரெண்டா ஒவ்வொருத்தரும் ஒரு அசம்ஷன் பெர்செப்ஷன் இருக்கு உங்களுக்கு இல்லையா? சோ மத்தவங்க ஹெல்ப் பண்றாங்க. சோ அப்ப ஒவ்வொருத்தர் தான் நினைச்சிருக்கீங்க ஓகே we can help them by giving a tire so that they can make their work very fast. Okay, so அப்ப tires அப்ப இது வந்து பாத்தீங்கன்னா it is also a type of what என்ன thinking இது? What is actually this? Critical thinking அது. What is this actually? Yes. சார் சொல்லுங்க. Right. Sorry. So okay. So you can see these guys actually very busy, and actually one people is coming to help them, but actually they're ignoring it. So இதுல வந்து பாத்தீங்கன்னா it should be very design native. அவர் சொல்றாரு okay something is happening here. ஏதோ ஒரு விஷயம் மிஸ் ஆகுது, but you should think it and you should act wisely. Okay. So this concept, this design thinking concept is actually clearly explained in this figure. And next slide, please. Yeah. So even design thinking is actually adopted in classroom also, because your professors, they actually help you out with complete design thinking concepts, right? Because they give many projects, they assign many projects, and you actually do all the projects with your innovative creative things. You actually go for complete designing things. Okay, if you find a particular problem, either projects la vandu pathina something is lagging அப்படிங்கும்போது you use your mind and you just give something different solutions to that particular problem of the project. Okay. So this is actually required for all students in the classroom. And next slide, please. Okay, so you can see many companies are there. So you can see Apple, actually they're very user friendly, and Airbnb, you can see actually Airbnb, TripAdvisor, Make My Trip, Agoda. So TripAdvisors, these are the booking sites actually, bookings portal actually. For example, if you need to travel, or if you want to stay in a hotel or in some homestay or some cottages, of course you can approach this Airbnb people. They actually designed in order to satisfy the guest, because they have different strategies. They have implemented different strategies, this Airbnb. And LG, they have they also actually follow few things. So இப்போ வந்து பாத்தீங்கன்னா like நிறைய கான்செப்ட்ஸ் வந்து இன்ட்ரோடியூஸ் பண்ணிருக்காங்க LG. when you see in the internet you can see. So these are the companies, Apple, Airbnb, LG. So இன்னும் நிறைய companies இருக்காங்க where they have adopted this design thinking process. Okay, so next slide, please. Okay, so this design thinking and empathy is actually related to each other. You can see this babies. Okay, so இது actually what message actually you're receiving from this particular figure? என்ன message உங்களுக்கு receive ஆகுதுல design thinking and this empathy? When you actually relate this empathy with this design thinking, what message actually you're receiving from this figure? Because இதுல என்னன்னு பாத்தீங்கன்னா as an engineer you should understand the problem of others. Okay, you should put yourself in others' shoes. Okay, that is actually the concept. You should understand the feelings of others. You should understand for the situations of others. You can understand the problem of others. So in that way, you need to help them. Okay, that is how this design thinking and empathy is related with each other. Next slide. Okay, so how this design thinking is related with this collaboration actually, because as an engineer you need to collaborate with the complete team, and you can go for the brainstorming ideas where you can collect different ideas from different peoples. In that way you can actually finish your project. Okay, you can actually put some creative ideas for your projects. So for that collaboration is required, different opinions are required, different suggestions are required, so that brainstorming is actually required here. Next slide. Okay, so this design thinking is actually related with this inclusion. So what is this inclusion actually? Inclusion is nothing but actually, for example, நீங்க ஒரு ஸ்டார் கேஸ்ல போறீங்க அப்படிங்கும்போது அந்த ஸ்டார் கேஸ் வந்து வீல் சேர்ல போறவங்களால யூஸ் பண்ணிக்க முடியாது இல்லையா? அப்போ வீல் சேர்ல போறவங்க பிசிக்கலி ஹேண்டிகேப்டு பர்சன் இல்ல நார்மலா இருக்கவங்க எல்லாருமே யூஸ் பண்ற மாதிரி ஒரு ஃப்ளோர் இருக்குன்னா அது எப்படி இருக்கணும், ஸ்லாண்டிங் ஸ்லோப்பா தான் இருக்கணும் இல்லையா? ஸோ அதுக்கேற்ற மாதிரி ஷுட் கிவ் அ ஜென்ரல் சொல்யூஷன் டு அ பர்டிகுலர் ப்ராப்ளம். அது ஒருத்தருக்கு மட்டும் யூஸ் ஆகுற மாதிரி இருக்கக்கூடாது. ஹேவ் சம் இன்க்ளூஷன் கிரைட்டீரியா வேர் தட் பர்டிகுலர் சொல்யூஷன் ஷுட் பி யூஸ்ட் பை கம்ப்ளீட் ஜென்ரல் பீப்புள். ஓகேவா? ஒரு ஹாஸ்பிட்டல் போறீங்க, ஸோ எல்லாரும் யூஸ் பண்ணிக்கிற மாதிரியான அந்த மேலே ஏறுற அந்த ஸ்லோப் அந்த ஆக்சுவலா அந்த அந்த ப்ரொவிஷன் இருக்கணும். ஸோ ஒருத்தர் மட்டும் போகிற மாதிரி இருக்கக்கூடாது. இட் கேன் பி ஜென்ரலி given. So this is actually this is how the inclusion criteria is actually correlated with this design thinking. Next slide, please. Yeah. So this design thinking actually sometimes when you go for works, sometimes you might find some errors. Errors were the you need to repeat, and finally you may come for a solution. Okay. Next. Right. So this is how I told you. This is a consolation of all empathize. You should understand the people needs, and you should know the minds and skills of others, feelings of others, and you should evaluate. And sometimes it goes wrong. You need to go for testing and give a good solution. Right. Next. Right. So you can see a people, you can see a group of people actually working on a project. They're actually attending the meeting. It's actually a brainstorming sections where the complete different ideas have been collected together for a particular problem. And okay, so next. Right. So actually you can see a few members here. Actually they are actually pinpointing each and every ideas. I mean business ideas. And they are actually pasting it. Actually, they are actually what they are doing it. They are actually maintaining it. So the previous things and the current things and the future things will be calculated based on this. Next slide, please. Okay. So designing thinking process, I'll explain you shortly. So this is actually, as I told you before, you need to empathize, frame it, and you should use your opinions, ideas, and you should finally can give us solutions. Okay. Sir, next slide. You can skip 3 slides, sir. Next slides. Yes. So next slide, sir. So coming to this, it's a critical thinking. Okay. You should ask many questions. Why the sky is blue? This time is the time. This time possible for the travel. So why she doesn't like me? Why he doesn't like me? So you should ask many questions. Why? Okay. So as you start asking questions, you can seek many answers. So that actually will push you for thinking. Okay. Question. Other குழந்தைங்க நிறைய பேர் என்ன எதுக்குன்னு கேட்டுட்டே இருப்பாங்க. நிறைய questions கேட்டுட்டே இருப்பாங்க because they are thinking. They just want the answers. They seek the answers actually. Okay. So this is actually about thinking. Next slide, please. Yeah, so you can see thinking actually it should be organized thinking. You should analyze the thinking concepts. Should have a focused one, and it should have the thinking should be like in with connections with each others. So problem should be identified, and according to the problem, you should give a solutions. So more or less, it's all similar only. Like so, on the innovative thinking, design thinking, critical thinking, எல்லாமே more or less related to each concepts are related to each other. So here பாத்தீங்கன்னா reasons analyze பண்றீங்க என்ன problem so you are actually just understanding the problem. As per the problem you are giving a solution to the problem. Okay, so next slide please. Yeah, so this is actually an old quiz. So I just want answers from you guys. So this is an old quiz which is developed by Anderson. So let me start this question. So how do you put a giraffe into a refrigerator? So இது வந்து பாத்தீங்கன்னா உங்களோட thinking skills வந்துட்டு check பண்ணும். நீங்க எப்படி வந்து ஒரு giraffe வந்துட்டு ஒரு refrigerator குள்ள போடுவீங்க? Give me an answer. You can type your answers here. How do you put a giraffe into a refrigerator? Anyone in the crowd can answer me, can give an answer. How do you put a giraffe into a refrigerator? Any answer from your side? Okay, open and put it inside. Very good, Alex. Okay, next question. How do you put an elephant into a refrigerator? Give an answer for this. Next question. How do you put an elephant into a refrigerator? Any answer from your side? No answer. Okay. Take out giraffe and put elephant. Good answer. Okay. The Lion King is hosting an animal conference, animal conference. All the animals attend except one. Which animal does not attend? I think Karan is saying make a photo and keep it in refrigerator. Okay. So crocodile வந்து attend பண்ணல அந்த ஃபங்க்ஷனை. எலிஃபென்ட் அட்டென்ட் பண்ணலன்னு ஜானு அண்ட் பானுபிரியா சொல்றாங்க. அலெக்ஸ் வந்து crocodile அட்டென்ட் பண்ணலன்னு சொல்றாங்க. Okay, right. The Lion King is hosting an animal conference. All the animals attend except one. Which animal கேட்டோம்னா elephant சொல்றாங்க. Lokesh வந்து make a hole and see, ma'am. Right, okay. Okay, next question is, there is a river you must cross, but it is used by crocodiles and you do not have a boat. How do you manage it? இதை எப்படி மேனேஜ் பண்ணுவீங்க? Yes. Okay. Right. So more or less first two questions the answers correct கொடுத்துட்டீங்க. And going forward the further wait until crocodile go to the meeting. Wow, Alex, by swimming. Super. Any other points from your side? Okay. Next slide, sir. Next slide, please. I'll give you the answer. Right. So you can see இவர் பாத்தீங்கன்னா அந்த கரையில உட்கார்ந்துகிட்டே அந்த மரத்தை அறுக்குறாரு. He doesn't have the critical thinking things. இவர் என்ன பண்றாரு? So அந்த ரோப்பை வந்து கட் பண்ணி விடுறாரு. பட் அந்த ஸ்டோன் எங்க விழுவும் தலைமையில தான் வரும். Right? So they're not thinking critically. Okay. So next slide, please. Walk on crocodile, lion. Okay. So you should have all the standards for your critical thinking skills. So there should be some clarity. There should be some accuracy, should not make any errors, and should have some precision over your thinking, thinking skills. Then it should be very accurate and that should be very, very relevant to the matter, should have a depth knowledge about that particular issue, and should have a breadth insights about the particular issues. And next is like, you should have some fairness, right? So இது எல்லாமே வந்து பாத்தீங்கன்னா standards. So next. So next slide. Next. Right. So you have an answer for this question, as I told by Alex. So previous slide. Right. Previous slide, sir. Right. So இது என்ன question பாத்தீங்கன்னா, how do you put a giraffe into a refrigerator? So இங்க actually Alex நினைக்கிறேன் கரெக்டா சொன்னாரு. So open the refrigerator, put it in the giraffe and close the door. Okay, very good. So how do you put an elephant? So அந்த refrigerator இருந்துட்டு என்ன பண்ணும்? First இதை எடுக்கணும். If you say like, did you say open the refrigerator, put an elephant? Na already உள்ள என்ன இருக்கு? Giraffe இருக்கு. அதை வெளியே எடுத்துட்டு தான் இது உள்ள போட முடியும். அப்ப என்னன்னா, you need to relate the sequence. Okay, first question என்னவோ அதுக்கு ஏத்த மாதிரி relate பண்ணிக்கணும். Right? And next வந்து பாத்தீங்கன்னா, இது வந்து it will test your ability. Right? Next slide, please. Okay, the Lion King is hosting an animal conference. So all the animals attend except one. So which animal does not attend? Pathina, the elephant. Because elephant already it is already in the refrigerator. So you just put him in there. So this test வந்து பாத்தீங்கன்னா test your memory. So அங்க elephant கிடையாது இல்லையா? So okay. So even if you did not answer the first three questions correctly, you still have one more chance to show your two abilities. Next, there is a river you must cross, but it used crocodiles. But it is used crocodiles and you do not have a boat. How do you manage it in pathina? Same as நீங்க சொன்ன மாதிரி swimming. Okay, because already என்ன இருக்கு? So you jump into the river and swim across. Have you not been listening? All are actually crocodiles. All are crocodiles are attending the the conference. Yeah. So you can see actually என்னன்னா இதுல வந்து the questionsல வந்து பாத்தீங்கன்னா you need to relate the each and every questions with the previous questions. Okay, in order that you can answer it. It's all like critical thinking. You need to think it like so யார் எங்க இருந்தாங்க, so what you should do அப்படிங்கிறது you need to do think. Okay, so next slide please. Next slide, sir. Next slide. Okay. So innovation, previous slide, please. So innovation when the pathina, it's all by. It's a previous slide. So innovation is a process of creating new ideas, products or methods in order to solve a problem. Ilya, some innovative one யோசிக்கிறீங்க இல்லையா? So there is main difference between the creation and the innovations actually. For creations actually you're புதுசா நீங்க செய்ய போறது creations, innovations already existing products in a கொஞ்சம் few things actually. You are going to add few concepts, a few designs, and you're adding few values for the products or services. In that way you're actually making a product, you're making some inventions. Okay, so next slide, sir. Okay, so these are the process of innovations. You can see these actually this innovation is actually given by few design steps. Okay, there should be desirable, feasible, and also should have some viability. So next slide, sir. Right. So why is innovations important in design? Because innovations when the pathina, like you have a different process, as I told you. This design tools and process, it can generate innovative new ideas, improve the business performance, and it actually help to grow, right? So if you want to run your business, you should have all this innovation steps. Okay, so in order to satisfy the needs and wants of the customers, in that way you can produce your products or the service in a high quality way. Next slide, please. Right, so types of innovations, these are the types of innovations. I mean products, a process. So these are the types of innovations. Okay, where actually product is actually for the development of new products, or the improvements of some existing one. Okay, process actually you have different processes, starting from creating, delivering, and issuing the service. So next slide, please. So you can see there are many innovation design engineering programs are available. So this program actually, you have all these programs in abroad actually, right? In London, they are actually conducting this program. It's actually a master program, and many of the engineering students are actually pursuing this MA, MSc programs outside India. So next slide. Right. So these are some examples of innovative technology designs. So I've given you few companies, like a few innovative things like wireless charging technology, U-socket AC, a touch mouse by Microsoft. So many examples are here. Okay. Next slide, please. Right. So you can see this electric car is also a type of innovation. Next slide, please. Yeah, you can see this. It is actually a new innovations where you can see this implantable devices, right? So it's actually a small size. Okay, it's nano electromechanical sensors actually. So this is also a new type of innovation. Next. I mean satellites, number of commercial satellites, which has been increased. Next. Right, Adidas is also a good example. And nowadays we have many foldable phones. Okay, this is also good in innovative designs. Next. And this is actually Marinatex is a fully biodegradable plastic film actually that provides user for 50 million tons of waste produced by the fishing industry each year. Okay, this is also a good example. So next. Next slide, please. Yeah. So apart from all this design critical and innovative thinking, so you should have some life goals, career goals, personal growth. You should brand yourself and promote yourself, and you should read good books. You should develop your personality. You should analyze your spot. You should have unique selling proposition for yourself. And apart from this, you should need some certifications and awards. Okay. So next slide. The complete slides. Yeah. So you are actually here in order to attain your goal. So you should know in next year where should be in 1 year or 3 years, in 5 years, நீங்க எங்க இருக்கணும் அப்படிங்கறத நீங்க தான் decide பண்ணணும். So you should be very specific at your I mean you should be specific at your engineering departments, and certifications can be very helpful. Should be very you should have a mobility things. So you should be very flexible in order to relocate. And next, you should improve yourself in all types of industry related programs and improve your communication skills. The next. Okay, so this is all very important tips for in order to have a successful career. So these are like you can actually read many case studies of the companies, and you can have good internship programs, hands-on training programs which is conducted by other companies. So adla neenga use panikalam practical exposures kaga. Conference, workshops, seminars can be so you have to make use of all conference workshops and seminars. So if you have not been selected in the interview, you should not leave the hope. You should again and again try, and you should attend many mock interviews. You should have a regular habit of reading newspapers. So you should read many foreign author books actually, and you should have a deep knowledge in your stream. So next is like you should explore your this is actually this. I'm sorry, you can ignore these 2 points. So next slide. So you can read many motivational books. Are they like Rich Dad Poor Dad, which is given by Robert Kiyosaki. So இது வந்து பாத்தீங்கன்னா financial money savings பத்தி அவங்க சொல்லிருப்பாங்க இந்த bookல. It's very good book actually. Ikigai is also a good book. So இதுவும் நல்ல book actually. இது நீங்க படிச்சு பாருங்க. You can win by Shivakera. நிறைய books நிறைய இருக்கு. So you can read. Next you can publish very good articles. So நிறைய online courses எல்லாம் நீங்க படிக்கலாம். And so next slide please. Yeah, this is actually the comfortable zone and முன்னாடியே சொல்லி கொடுத்துட்டேன் உங்களுக்கு. Right, next. Yeah, so each and every one of you should prepare a goal code for yourself. So you should say like so you can write a goal code for yourself and stick it on your table, and you should see like in one or next 2 years 3 years நான் என்ன ஆக போறேன் அப்படிங்கறத you should continuously watching it, and you need to achieve this goal. Okay, in order that you need to write a goal code for yourself and stick it on your table wherever you sit. Okay, so next slide. Right, so what is this actually? It's actually a cup, right? So இது என்ன actually இது if you think this, if you see this particular figure, what is actually here? Anyone from the group actually tell me what is it actually? It's actually a glass or a glass filled with water or something like that. Yes, so someone might say like it's actually a glass, half filled glass. Someone would say it's actually water. Okay, someone would say it's actually I mean juice. Okay, so water னு சொல்றீங்க, fine, okay. So ஒரு சிலர் என்ன சொல்லுவாங்க, it's half full அப்படின்னு சொல்லுவாங்க. ஒரு சிலர் என்ன it's half empty அப்படின்னு சொல்லுவாங்க. ஒரு சிலர் என்ன சொல்லுவாங்க it's painting அப்படின்னு சொல்லுவாங்க. Right, because the painting வந்து மருத பாண்டியனா painting சொல்றாரு. Right, so it's actually a glass with water. Right, next slide please. Right, so இதுல பாக்குறீங்க இல்லையா, first glass, second, third and fourth glass, 4 glasses இருக்கு. So first glass is actually filled with ஒரு சிலர் சொல்வீங்க ஓகே இது வந்து பாத்தீங்கன்னா ஒரு 50% ஃபில் ஆயிருக்கு, ஒரு லைக் ஒரு 60% ஃபில் ஆயிருக்கு, இது 70% ஃபில் ஆயிருக்கு, ஆல்மோஸ்ட் இது ஃபில் ஆயிட்டே இருக்கு அப்படின்னு சொல்லுவீங்க. ரைட், இட்ஸ் ஆல்சோ a glass of water னு சொல்வீங்க. ஒரு சிலர் சொல்வீங்க ஓகே இட்ஸ் ஆக்சுவலி a painting அப்படிம்பீங்க. ஒரு சிலர் சொல்வீங்க இட்ஸ் ஆக்சுவலி half empty. சோ கால் ஆக்சுவலா எம்டியா இருக்கு, பட் இது ஆக்சுவலா வந்து ஜூஸ், வாட்டர் இல்ல ஜூஸ் அப்படின்னு சொல்லுவீங்க. ரைட், சோ நெக்ஸ்ட் ரைட். So as I told you, usually half full அப்படின்னு சொல்றவங்க எல்லாமே optimistic persons. Okay, they are actually very positive people because in half full அவங்க ஒரு நல்ல பாசிட்டிவ் விஷயத்தை மட்டும் தான் பாக்குறாங்க. ஓகே, இந்த half empty ன்னு சொல்றவங்க எல்லாமே pessimistic because அவங்க அந்த emptiness மட்டும் தான் பாக்குறாங்க, அந்த பாசிட்டிவ்னஸ் பாக்குறது கிடையாது. Right, they are the pessimistic persons. Realistic person என்ன சொல்லுவாங்கன்னா, நான் என்ன சொல்லுவேன், see this particular glass is filled of water, இல்ல filled of juice, இல்ல filled of anything like ஏதாவது tender coconut, அது மாதிரி ஏதாவது சொல்லுவேன். ரைட், இது என்ன ஆப்பர்ச்சுனிட்டிஸ் என்ன சொல்லுவாங்கன்னா, அது வந்து ஒரு they'll see opportunities in each and every things. ஒரு 180 டிகிரில பார்க்காம 360 டிகிரில கம்ப்ளீட்டா ஆப்பர்ச்சுனிட்டிஸ் பார்ப்பாங்க. சோ இந்த மீதி என்ன பண்ணலாம், அந்த ஹாஃப் ஃபில்டா இருக்கிறது என்ன பண்ணலாம், மீதி என்ன பண்ணலாம். So what is it actually? So they'll see opportunities in each and every directions. Okay, so next slide please. Okay, So this IQ test actually you can see, but now actually we are running out of the time, so we'll actually skip this. But if you want, you can solve this and give me in 1 or 2 seconds. You can see this actually, right? Okay, it's actually an aptitude test, right? IQ test. Previously, people were testing this IQ test, but nowadays people are checking the EQ test. But even though you can actually solve this, and if you know the answer, you can just type it. Okay, 19, Alex, 19. Okay, any other answers? Next line, please. Next slide. Yeah. So this is actually a game. Okay. So as we are at virtual, you can actually make an aeroplane, and you can actually launch that aeroplane in a virtual way. Is that possible for you to make an aeroplane, and you can add about interesting facts in the aeroplane, and you can launch it virtually? This is actually a game. So I think there is no time, and you can actually try it. So how can we launch an aeroplane in a virtual manner? Just think it and do it. Next slide. This is actually methods and tools for you actually. So you should have continuous training things, should have good mentorship session, go through online materials, should socialize with other peoples, should be very confident, can read continuous, I mean, more and more number of books, should get out from the comfortable zone, should stay focused, and so I'm getting many answers, 19, 19, 19, 12 for the previous question. Right, I'll tell you the answer. Right, okay. So practice actually. These are the methods and tools for each and every individual persons. Next slide. Okay. I think most of you have read this book. So if you find time, please, this book, Rich Dad, Poor Dad. So actually, என்னன்னு பாத்தீங்கன்னா இந்த ரிச் டேட் புவர் டேட் அப்படின்ற புக் வந்து ராபர்ட் கியோசகி அப்படின்றவர் தான் எழுதியிருக்காரு. ஸோ அவர் என்ன பண்றாருன்னா, அவங்க அப்பா வந்து புவர் டேட், அவரோட ஃப்ரெண்டோட அப்பா வந்து ரிச் டேட். ஸோ ரெண்டு பேருமே வந்து பாத்தீங்கன்னா டிஃப்ரெண்ட் கோல்ஸ். ஸோ புவர் டேடோட அப்பா என்ன சொல்லுவாருன்னா, அந்த பையன் ராபர்ட் கியோசகி கிட்ட என்ன சொல்லுவாருன்னா, நீ நல்லா படிக்கணும், வேலைக்கு போகணும், நிறைய சம்பாதிக்கணும் அப்படின்னு சொல்லுவாரு. பட் ரிச் டேட் இருக்காரு இல்ல, அந்த பையனோட அப்பா என்ன சொல்லுவாருன்னு பாத்தீங்கன்னா, நீ வந்து படிக்கணும், வேலைக்கு போகணும்னு நான் சொல்ல மாட்டேன், ப்ராக்டிக்கலா இரு, பிசினஸ் கத்துக்கோ, ஐடியாஸ் நிறைய இம்ப்ளிமெண்ட் பண்ணு. அதாவது என்ன சொல்லுவாருன்னு பாத்தீங்கன்னா, மணி எப்படி சேவ் பண்ணணும் அப்படின்னு சொல்லி கத்து தருவாரு. சரியா? திஸ் ஆல் த லெசன்ஸ் ஃப்ரம் த ரிச் டேட் அண்ட் புவர் டேட். ஸோ இந்த புக் ஆக்சுவலா பாத்தீங்கன்னா கத்துக்கோங்க. இது எப்படின்னா ஃபினான்ஷியல் லேர்னிங். இது எப்படி மணியை சேவ் பண்ணணும், நம்ம எல்லாம் செலவு பண்ணதுக்கு அப்புறம் சேவிங்ஸ்க்கு போவோம், பட் சேவிங்ஸ் பண்ணதுக்கு அப்புறம் தான் என்ன பண்ணணும், செலவு பண்ணணும். தட்ஸ் த மெயின் இம்பார்ட்டன்ட் கான்செப்ட். ஸோ இதுல வந்து பாத்தீங்கன்னா அந்த ஃபினான்ஷியல் திங்ஸ் எல்லாமே இட் இஸ் ஆல் குட் வெல் எக்ஸ்பிளைன்ட் இன் திஸ் ரிச் டேட் புவர் டேட் புக். ஓகே, ஸோ நெக்ஸ்ட் ஸ்லைட் ப்ளீஸ். Okay, so rich dad usually always teach about the financial IQ, courage, creativity, money knowledge, money எப்படி ஹேண்டில் பண்ணணும், எப்படி வந்து அசெட்ஸ் மேக்கிங்கா கன்வெர்ட் பண்ணணும், எப்படி நீங்க 10 ரூபாயை 100 ரூபாவா மாத்துவீங்க, 100 ரூபாவை எப்படி 1000 மாத்துவீங்க, 1000 எப்படி வந்து லட்சமா மாத்துவீங்க, அந்த லட்சம் எப்படி வந்து கோடி ஆகும். ஸோ இந்த மாதிரி என்ன பண்ணுவாருன்னா அவர் சொல்லி தருவாரு, ரைட்? பட் the middle class usually so the poor dad usually என்ன சொல்லுவாருன்னா, படி, வேலைக்கு போ அப்படின்னு சொல்லி தருவாரு. So the main difference with the pathina, you can understand it from this book actually. It is all about the financial handling, okay, money handling, assets, saving assets, and reducing the liabilities. Okay, so next slide. Okay, so this may one very good important book, Japanese life purpose book actually. So உங்களுக்கு என்ன இஷ்டம், இந்த உலகத்துல நீங்க என்னவாக விரும்புறீங்க அப்படிங்கறத கன்வெர்ட் பண்றதுக்கு தான் இந்த புக் ஆக்சுவலி இக்கிகை அப்படின்னு சொல்லி சொல்றேன், ரைட்? இந்த புக் படிங்க. Next slide. Right. So next. So இதுல வந்து பாத்தீங்கன்னா, this is actually a story of a lady from Pakistan. So இந்த story almost நிறைய பேர் படிச்சிருப்பீங்கன்னு நினைக்கிறேன். It's very important. Actually he's a lady from Pakistan. அவங்க வந்து பாத்தீங்கன்னா ஒரு ஆக்சிடென்ட்ல அவங்களுக்கு கம்ப்ளீட்லி பேரலைஸ்ட், அதாவது ஹாஃப் இடுப்பு கீழே எல்லாமே பேரலைஸ்ட் ஆயிடுச்சு. ஸோ அவங்க ஹஸ்பண்ட் ஆக்சுவலா டிவோர்ஸ் கேட்டுட்டு அவங்களை அமிச்சிட்டாங்க. ஸோ அவங்களுக்கு குழந்தையும் கிடையாது, பட் ஒரு குழந்தைய அடாப்ட் பண்ணிப்பாங்க. ஸோ அவங்க நெக்ஸ்ட் வந்து லைஃப்ல எப்படி வந்து சக்சஸ் ஆகுறாங்க அப்படிங்கறத பத்தின ஸ்டோரி இது. You can actually learn her. I can actually know the story of her from internet actually. YouTubeல நிறைய உங்களை பத்தி போட்டிருப்பாங்க. ஸோ அவங்க ஒரு பாகிஸ்தானுடைய ஒரு டிவில ஆக்சுவலா ஆங்கரா இருக்காங்க, நிறைய பப்ளிக் டாக்ஸ் எல்லாம் கொடுத்திருக்காங்க அவங்க. ஸோ யூஸ்வலி அவங்களோட கம்ப்ளீட்டா வந்து பாத்தீங்கன்னா நிறைய போன்ஸ் இந்த அந்த காலர் போன்ஸ், ஸோ நிறைய போன்ஸ் எல்லாம் ஃப்ராக்சர் ஆகி கொலாப்ஸ் ஆகி அவங்க யூரினரி கண்ட்ரோல் இல்லாம இப்ப எங்க போனாலும் அந்த பேக்ஸ் கண்ட்ரோலோட தான் போவாங்க, பின்னாடி ஒரு பேக்ஸ் இருக்கும். ஸோ அவங்க இருந்தாலுமே she didn't lose her hope. Okay, she is actually a public figure in Pakistan. Okay, so next slide. Yeah, so of course you know about Disney. Okay, so நிறைய தடவை ஃபெயில் ஆகி more than 300 times மேல ஃபெயில் ஆகி தான் அவர் ஆக்சுவலா என்ன பண்ணாருன்னு பாத்தீங்கன்னா அந்த இவ்வளவு பெரிய சக்சஸ்க்கு வந்தாரப்போ. So this is also a good story. And next, so next slide. Almost you, yeah. So each and every one of you actually know your strength, your weakness, your threats and opportunities. That is very important for your individual development. So next slide. Yeah. So you should have a vision for yourself. So you should set goals for yourself. So according to your visions, you need to travel and you need to achieve the goal. Okay. So next slide. Yeah. So certification is important. You have many programs. So in the NPTEL, Startup India, so many online programs are there. So you can even attend all those online programs and you can grab those awards and certificates. So next. This is almost the important thing is like you should think always you should think like I can do it. You should actually ignore the T. Okay. So next. Yeah. So I think the section almost took me more time, I think, right? Almost like 2 hours. So if you have any questions, you can post questions here.
Hi, ma'am.
Yeah, Rich Dad Poor Dad is very lot of knowledge. Very good. Venkatesh. Yeah. Yeah, I'm actually, yeah. Actually, section actually got over and you can have any queries. If you have any questions, you can post it. Yes, Sarumati. Yes, Sarumati.
Ma'am, how can design thinking help development workers create social innovation, ma'am?
Yeah. How does design thinking?
How can design thinking helps development workers create social innovation, ma'am?
Yeah. Okay. Okay. I mean, you're actually how it is helpful for the society, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. See, for example, right? See, you can take an example of a bridge.
அந்த feedback from last step எனக்கு காலையில அனுப்புனது தானே.
So you can take an example of a bridge. So இப்ப இருக்க தமிழ்நாட்டுல வந்து பாத்தீங்கன்னா there are n number of bridges are there, but few times no many accidents are happening. The bridge is completely collapsed, right? So what is actually lagging behind it is like they don't actually give a quality of inputs.
ஈவன் போர் இருக்கா? ஆமா அதுதான்
வாங்கிக்கிறேன். Someone's mic is on actually. Yeah. See, அப்ப அந்த bridge வந்து கம்ப்ளீட்டா கொலாப்ஸ் ஆயிடும் இல்லையா? அப்ப அவங்க அதுக்கு யூஸ் பண்ண ரா மெட்டீரியல்ஸ் வந்து பாத்தீங்கன்னா இட்ஸ் ஆல் கம்ப்ளீட்லி இன்குவாலிட்டி, குவாலிட்டி இல்லாததான் போட்டிருக்காங்க இல்லையா? அப்ப என்ன பண்ணா as an engineer, as a civil engineer, you should actually implement your designing think capabilities. Like designing எல்லாம் பாத்தீங்கன்னா சோ எந்த மாதிரியான ரா மெட்டீரியல்ஸ் எல்லாத்தையுமே நம்ம வந்து போட்டு எந்த மாதிரி டிசைன்ஸ்ல எப்படி பண்ணோம் அப்படின்னா நம்ம வந்து அந்த ஆக்சிடென்ட்ஸ் எல்லாத்தையுமே நம்ம அவாய்ட் பண்ணலாம். So in such a way you need to design a complete road-based bridge systems. Okay. So in such a way that will actually serve the needs and wants of the society. அப்ப என்னன்னா பொதுமக்கள் நிறைய பேர் பாதிக்கப்பட மாட்டாங்க, நிறைய உயிர்கள் நிறைய சேதமடையாது இல்லையா? So as an engineer, main important thing is like என்ன சொல்லணும்னா quality of things which you are going to use it and design in a proper way. எதுக்கு ஏத்த மாதிரி யாருக்கு ஏத்த மாதிரி needs and wants of the society ஏத்த மாதிரி you need to design it. So either it might be a என்ன சொல்றது civil engineer na in such a way you need to design it. Okay. Any other questions? Okay, I think no more questions. Okay, fine.
Ma'am,
Sir, சொல்லுங்க sir.
it is a very wonderful session. Yeah, your inputs, you are given so many inputs, but basically, students are like, come across how to kickstart the design thinking. So, what we can able to suggest for them, ma'am?
So one more time, sir. Actually, உங்க voice சரியா கேட்கல. சொல்லுங்க. How students are?
Ma'am, how to kickstart the design thinking? Students
Okay,
are.
okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. Okay, sir. புரியுது எனக்கு. Right. So how to kickstart the design thinking சொல்லி பாத்தீங்கன்னா, initially வந்து பாத்தீங்கன்னா ஒரு good example வந்து பாத்தீங்கன்னா ஒரு குழந்தை இருக்கு அப்படிங்கும்போது நார்மல் crawling kid. So அந்த கிட்க்கு வந்து நம்ம என்ன சொல்ல போறோம்னா, நீ ஏதோ ஒரு பொருளை பண்ணு, ஒரு டிசைன் பண்ணு, வர அப்படின்னு சொல்லுவோம். யூசுவலா அவங்க என்ன பண்ணுவாங்கன்னு பாத்தீங்கன்னா, they used to put a complete things ஒரு பேப்பர்ல வரைய ஆரம்பிச்சிருவாங்க. சோ வரைய ஆரம்பிச்சு நம்ம கிட்ட கொடுத்துருவாங்க இல்லையா. சோ யூசுவலி இது வந்து பாத்தீங்கன்னா ஃப்ரம் ஒரு சின்ன குழந்தைகிட்ட நம்ம கொடுக்க வேண்டிய பொருள் நம்ம கொடுக்குறோம். அவங்க அதுக்கு தேவையான நெசசரி திங்ஸ் எல்லாம் கொடுக்குறோம். அவங்க வரையறாங்க, பெயிண்ட் பண்றாங்க, ஆல்மோஸ்ட் வந்து ஒரு ஃபிகர் கொடுத்துறாங்க. பட் இது வந்து பாத்தீங்கன்னா the childish behavior. Coming to the adult behavior, how to start your designing things ன்னு சொல்லி பார்க்கும்போது many opportunities are there. See, like you need to three important things are there. So ஒன்னு வந்து பாத்தீங்கன்னா you need to develop your natural thinking behaviors. So நீங்க ஒவ்வொரு பொருள் ஒவ்வொரு இதையும் பார்க்கும்போது அது கிரியேட்டிவா யோசிக்கணும். ஃபார் எக்ஸாம்பிள் இப்போ ஒரு டிவி இருக்குன்னு சொல்லி பாத்தீங்கன்னா, so why this TV is designed in such a way? ஏன் இது வந்து இவ்வளோ இன்ச் டிவி வந்து எதனால இதை டிசைன் பண்ணிருக்காங்க? ஏன் வந்து ஆப்பிள் போன்ஸ் வந்து பாத்தீங்கன்னா why it is user friendly, but why this other phones are not user friendly? அப்ப நீங்க என்ன பண்ணணும்னா you need to start asking questions, why, what, so அப்படிங்கிறது கேட்டுட்டே இருக்கணும். சோ அந்த ஒரு ஹேபிட் வரும்போது automatically your mind will go for some other designing things. So ஒன்னு வந்து பாத்தீங்கன்னா you can create it by yourself. First thing is like you need to build yourself asking questions to others. So அப்ப seeking answers, that one. And second thing, reading many things from online related to the designs concepts, design methodologies, designs. We can go through the case studies of each and every companies, because there are n number of companies who actually failed in designs. So அப்ப அந்த failures எதனால அந்த failure ஆச்சு? Why this particular company they actually not survived in the market? எதனால survival ஆகல? So what is the problem with those marketing or business strategies? எதனால அந்த particular design வந்து பாத்தீங்கன்னா மார்க்கெட்ல ஹிட் ஆகல அப்படிங்கும்போது you need to start asking questions. அப்ப அந்த ப்ராப்ளம்க்கு நீங்க ஒரு சொல்யூஷன் நீங்க கண்டுபிடிச்சிட்டீங்கனாலே automatically you can know, okay, this particular design actually it has some failure strategies. அப்போ வந்து we can actually go for some other design. So அப்ப அந்த design வந்து பாத்தீங்கன்னா design வந்து it actually starts from you itself. So அது வந்து naturally you should have the abilities of asking questions to others and seeking answers from others, and by analyzing the case studies of different companies, and by reading many books related to the designs concepts. Is there any other question?
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you very much, ma'am.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, ma'am. That was an interesting and inspiring speech, ma'am. Thank you. Now we have Mr. Selva Prabhu from third year mechanical to propose the vote of thanks.
Good afternoon to all. Gratitude is the mother of all virtues. Behind every successful organization, there lies the perspiration and motivation of many dedicated people. I take this occasion to thank them all. I would like to express my sincere thanks to Dr. M. Prem Kumar, Principal of Powai Engineering College and President of IIC, for his continuous support. Thank you, sir. I extend my heartfelt thanks to our expert speaker, Mrs. S.A. Satyapriya, Associate Professor, Dr. Thiru Clinicals and Rural Tourism Private Limited, Salem, for accepting an invitation and delivering an inspiring speech with very useful inputs to the students. Thank you, ma'am. I thank our convener, Dr. R. Mohanapriya, Associate Professor, ECE. Thank you, ma'am. I thank our Vice President, Dr. K. Sundaramurthy, Professor, Mechanical. Thank you, sir. I thank the event organizers, Dr. P. Sundaramurthy and Mr. T. Tangavel, Assistant Professors, Mechanical. Thank you, sir. I thank all the head of the departments, Thank you, sirs, and thank you, madams. My thanks are due to all faculty members and supporting staff who made this program possible. Above all, I thank the participants immensely for making this webinar a grand success. Thank you all.
I request all of you to enable your camera for photo session.
My really wonderful session, Satyapriya ma'am.
Ma'am, actually, என்னன்னா like it will be more interactive. It's either it will be now offline mode ல பாத்தீங்கன்னா interactive இருந்திருக்கும், but as it's Hi ma'am.
Hi Satya ma'am, how are you?
I'm fine ma'am. எப்படி இருக்கீங்க?
Missing you a lot. I'm fine.
Yeah ma'am, I'm too missing you a lot. So பாவை வந்து மாதிரி என்ன ma'am?
Yeah, we'll meet sometime.
Sure ma'am, sure, fine. So offline இன்னும் நல்லா இருந்திருக்கு ma'am. மோகனப்பிரியா ma'am, offline அது இன்னும் நல்லா இருந்திருக்கு.
We'll do it for the next time.
Sure,
I understand, but examination nala we were not able to call you. Next semester you will come in person and you will have a session. Really awesome. You know, over the slides, rather than going for theoretical concepts, you practically took on the session. Excellent.
But I think something is lagging because of this webinar model. Like, so it's not offline.
Yeah.
I'm not able to see the people's, I mean, students' face figure. So I'm not getting any interactions. Okay, but they were actually putting a message. That actually it was good.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you so much.
Thank you,
For
ma'am. Thank
accepting
you
my
so much.
invitation. Yeah, taking
Thank
time.
you, ma'am.
We actually planned for an hour, but you took on for more than 2 hours. Thank you. And our students
Thank you,
also,
thank you.
they're there for the meeting. Yeah, thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am. Bye, ma'am. Thank you. Thank you.
Yes, ma'am. Bye, ma'am. Yeah.
Bye, ma'am. Thank you.
Ma'am, photo session complete, ma'am.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay.
We'll finish.
Thank you for everyone. You will receive e-certificates within 5 days.